What's up, YouTube? Hope Nickel Barbecue back with you again. Today we are cooking an 8.5 pound pork butt on the 22-inch Weber kettle with the Gabby grills attachment. We're going to put the Jumbo Joe lid over top. We're going to see how it turns out. We're cooking with all wood today. It's going to be hickory. Let's get this thing rolling. Alright, we got our lid of our Jumbo Joe. We've got a thermometer here. We were running at about 275 the last time I looked. This way. This over top. Take this back up to one more click up. We'll add this stick of wood every time we drop temperature. I'm going to keep a log of this. I'll let you know how it turns. A little background information on this cook. Somebody's going to ask what rub. It's Simmering Docks. Sweet rib rub, barbecue seasoning. It's just the first one I grabbed. Second thing somebody's going to ask is why. One, I haven't seen it done yet. Two, me and Heavy Metal Barbecue have been talking a lot, and he keeps telling me I need to buy a stick burner. Well, I don't have room for a stick burner. I got too much stuff, so this kind of is a stick burner when you think about it. It's all wood, trapping the heat, venting out. See how it turns out. Might be garbage, I don't know. Either way, video will be up. Alright guys, we're about an hour in. Pork butt's looking pretty good. I'm understanding this process a little bit better. Not only adding wood, but basically raising and lowering the grate to manipulate the temperature, keep it between 225 and 275, 300. I think I figured out the dance. This is coming along great. Wanted to kind of go over some of the pros and cons of this. Pros, you're going to have much cleaner smoke. You don't have wood smoldering like you do with the regular Weber kettle or other cookers, because you're basically cooking in an oxygen deficient environment. This has got all the oxygen that it wants, really. I'm curious about the taste, just to see what all wood tastes like. No charcoal, not in an oxygen deficient environment. Some of the cons, this is a lot of moving parts. You're not going to be able to go sit in the house and drink beer and watch football. You're going to have to be out here the entire time. I decided to kind of preheat some splits off to the side. We'll see how that goes. Give it a couple more hours, we'll wrap it up. Probably switch to charcoal after I wrap because it won't matter. Alright guys, we're about 3.5 hours in. Just give you a peek. She's looking good. Just temp probed it. It's 135. Alright, bring you back when we wrap. Alright guys, we're about 4 hours and 45 minutes in. It's temping about 165. We're going to wrap this up, take this off, switch it around to the regular kettle, throw charcoal in there, and let it finish out wrapped. I'll give you a close-up here in just a second. Alright, here's what we're looking like. Looks pretty good. I'm happy with this color. We'll get it wrapped up and get it thrown in the kettle. Alright, so this has been on for 7 hours and 15 minutes. Just probed it. Smooth is better. Take this off. Dump this open. Let this basically stop cooking. And then we're going to get it in the oven and let it rest. Ooh, that smells so good. Woo. Alright, bring it back for the taste test. Alright, here's what she looks like. She's looking amazing. Look at that bone. It's already ready to pop out. Alright, I got no idea where Mrs. Hobo's at. As you can see, we've got a good smoke ring. Let's give it a taste. Oh my god, it's fucking good. You get smoky flavor, but this might be the cleanest smoky flavor I've ever had. It was so good. I would recommend trying this. I know it looked like it was a pain in the ass. It really wasn't that bad. That was good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye.